Gestation YouTube Series, Week 20. Ultrasounds and the sex of your baby.
You're 20 weeks pregnant and you're halfway through your pregnancy. Fantastic, well done. So we're going to talk about having an ultrasound as a routine ultrasound at 20 weeks.
So usually with this ultrasound, it's usually a longer ultrasound that most couples choose to have. And you can get a lot of information from this ultrasound, such as, the size of the baby, where the placenta is. They can do lots of different tests on how the baby's growing, where the baby's at. So it can be very reassuring for a lot of couples to have this ultrasound, and also can be very reassuring for them to see their baby on the screen.
Because it really looks like a baby.
It does look like a baby at this point. This is also the time where if you wanted to, you could find out the sex of your baby, which is often very divided, isn't it? Some people really like the surprise at the end, and others really think, well, it's a surprise at any point whether I know now or not. For some people, knowing the sex of the baby can be great because it can help them bond a little bit more with their baby, and they usually name it and all that kind of stuff. And for others, they like, after all that beautiful hard work of labour, that surprise.
Yeah,
so did you find out with any of your babies?
No, I didn't find out, and I didn't want to find out. To me, it just, I suppose one of the things is just because you can, to me, it doesn't mean that you should. And I really just loved that not knowing and that wonderful surprise and just sharing it together with your partner of what your baby is. What about you?
With the first one, I didn't find out. I had a really strong feeling and I was right. But with the second one, we decided to find out. And with the third, we kept it a mystery, and that was a nice surprise.
Oh, so you've done a bit of both.
I've done a bit of both of finding it. Again, there's no right or wrong. It's about what feels right for you guys as a couple. I think sometimes the tricky part is when one person wants to know and the other one doesn't. That can be challenging.
To learn more, visit aboutbirth.com.au.